Okay. First time apple juice.
Okay, Jeff.
No?
This is not right.
This
is not what I was expecting. I'm not sure.
It's a little strong.
Does it burn your throat, James? Try it. You don't like it? Give it a second. You might like it. It's sweet. I'm thinking no. Come on.
He doesn't like it. He's quitting out.
This is the best tasting medicine you'll ever have. Apple juice. Oh, is it good now? No? You were really not liking this.